Well, how to make $100 online fast by complete offers with 20 cogs. Yes, this is the topic in this video today. I'm going to show you the website 20 cogs, which is a really good service site. If you not known it yet, please see this video. You can learn more about it, how easily you can make $100 fast and easy if you have not make any money online yet. So without wasting any of your time, the website we are going to review in this website is called 20cogs.co.uk. So this is an UK based website that requires you to be on UK. It's better to be on UK, and it pays at euro. So you simply go there and register. Just hit the sign up buttons and you can simply join it by simple form fill up, and you're good to go to earn a decent amount of money every month. So how we are going to make money? If you go over to this website, this is a really trusted website. If you just see that Trustpilot rating, they have almost 5,762 reviews and its rating about 4.2, which is really great for any websites who are trusted and legit, and they are paying money to users. So make money in your spare time is really awesome way to earn money online. Just join today and they will provide you $5, or it's not dollar, it's €5 welcome bonus to you. So if you can just join it and you can start working right away, right now, they will provide more and more surveys and you will complete those surveys and offers and you can earn a decent amount of money. Also, they have some cashbacks and gaming offers as well that you can just complete and earn a good amount of money as well. So this joining is completely free and you will get €5 for that. And if you just scroll down, you can see more of the reviews of it, how people are reviewing it, and you will go to the Trustpilot as well, that how are the reviews going on, how people think about 20cogs.co.uk. So if you just scroll down, you can just play this video to see how it works and how you have to work if you do not know already how service sites works. But if you know, you can just go there and follow the simple 3 steps process. Simple 3 steps. Just sign up now and it's easy and free to join. And then step 2, follow the instructions and complete all the offers they provide and you are good to go. And then once all of your offers have been confirmed, you will be paid via banks and PayPal if you want, any way you like. So this is a really good way, and they have already paid over 3 million euros. So this is really awesome way to work with this website. So if you scroll down in their frequently asked questions, they have only 2 questions that answers all. So how does it work? It's free and easy to join. When you complete one of their many offers, they earn commissions from advertisers which they share with you. Just follow their simple instructions and you will be able to profit from every single offers once you have successfully completed 20 offers. So there is the catch here. This is why they named 20cogs.co.uk, because this is a 20 offers goal for your first mission. It's like a mission. You just sign up there and you will get a mission of 20 offers. You have to complete 20 offers in the first place, and then you will be move into profit and you will make more money on that, and you will level up and it will unlock more and more higher paying offers for you. So this is easy money. 20 offers is really easy if you work regularly. It's a very easy task to complete and earn a decent amount of money. So the second question is, how much can you earn? So it really depends simply, but according to their statements, let's keep this realistic. It's not going to be $100 a day. Yes, this is the truth. You cannot earn $100 on a service site, but you can if you work regularly. On average, a member earns just over €200. The highest ever payout is made over €700. So now who wouldn't want that? They also pay their members 3 times a week to their banks and PayPal. So this is really awesome. So €100, it's a really easy way, is a fast way to earn in this website. Just simply sign up there and complete offers and gaming offers and service offers, and you are good to go to make decent amount of money, $100 first. If you have not made any money online yet, you just go this website and do as it says to do. But if you like marketing, right? So if you like marketing, they have an affiliate options as well. If you just scroll down and hit the affiliate link here, it will load this page which is called affiliate sections of 20cogs, and you can see that they are really paying highest paying affiliate market, and you just simply go there, and they are affiliated with a company which is Clickwork 7. If you just click on that, this is their affiliate network, and you just join there and you can promote 20cogs to everyone out there. So this is a really easy way to earn a decent amount of money, and you will get like 7% commissions on first 7 months. Then this will increase a lot later when you promote more peoples to 20cogs. So this is a side way, this is another options to earn on 20cogs. But if you just want to reach €100 of your life on online income fast, and this is the only way to you make money fast on 20cogs.co.uk. So if you just join there, it's completely free and it's up to you. You can just start making money by completing offers, gaming and service and cashbacks as well. You do as always, you do already, you many gameplay, many survey offers you complete already for free every day. So why not get paid for that? So this is the catch. This is the all about 20cogs.co.uk. Simply join there and start making money right away. So if you're liking this video, this method, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you in the next video. A new video going to be uploaded daily. I have lots of videos that are really working. You just choose whatever you like. There's all trusted methods that can make you money much more than this. So if you just join there, I will be glad, and you watch more videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.